guys, it's Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company and welcome back to my daily vlog. I'm in the passenger seat today and we are taking a side trip real quick because I'm going to go to Tractor Supply. Yes, I'm going to tell you right off the bat that regardless of whether I realized it or not, this vlog was going to have a theme, a farmhouse theme of like maybe chickens, roosters, yeah, Tractor Supply, farmhousey things. So I have to tell you that Tractor Supply is not my usual place for home decor. When we go there, it's usually what? Something for the animals or...
Fence yard.
Yeah, fence yard, exactly. Shout out to, let me look her name up, I think it was Michelle, who actually sent me a message this morning. Thank you so much, my friend. She says, Sonia, do you have a Tractor Supply Company near you? I found these signs yesterday for under $10 each, and obviously I thought of you and the Crazy Banana Bunch family. She posted it in our Junk Monkey Paint Projects group, and so I am going to take her up on that lead that she gave me. I love the signs. I'll show you them in just a second. I'm gonna run in and hopefully I will be holding two of them in my hands. And you're probably gonna want some too. They're pretty darn cute. Alright guys, we are back at the house at the home studio, and I gotta tell you, it's been a long time since I've been at Tractor Supply Company looking around the aisles. If I've gone there, it's because, I don't know, my dogs needed something. I mean, honestly, next to that decor section was the welding section. So a lot of times we think of it as more of an industrial, you know, definitely a farm supply store. And to be there today and looking through the aisle with all the home decor, boy, it just reminded me how much I love that primitive, distressed, shabby, rustic decor. Wasn't it beautiful? Maybe you saw some pieces there that if you have a Tractor Supply Company, get out and go look and see if you find something that you might need for your decorations too. So I did score me those two Junkin signs, and I love them. I positively love them. I'm actually probably going to put them in my backdrop behind me. I think it would be fun to keep them right here in the space. So the first one I got was make me coffee and take me junkin'. I love this one because number one, I love coffee, and number two, I love junk and some good junkin' time. So cute little sign. I love the rustic frame that it's in. The next sign that I picked up was the other Junkin sign that they have there, of course. It says, good friends and Junkin, count me in. So this one is done in a light wood frame. This one was a dark frame, but I love this one too. So again, $9.99, just different font, different colors between the two of them. Do you like one more than the other, or do you love them both just like me? You might hear Matt again cooking because, you know what? I think it's like clockwork now. Every time I sit down to vlog and to do what I'm doing, about the time I do this is when Matt's preparing supper. So I talk with you guys and get our, you know, our DIY crafting time on, paint time on, and Matt's over there across the way cooking in the kitchen. So Matt, what's on the menu tonight? Soup. What kind of soup are you making?
White bean chicken.
White bean chicken soup. Man, I'm feeling like a cowgirl. I've been at Tractor Supply today eating white bean chicken soup for supper. Give me a pair of...
Give me
Yes, exactly. I do love the pioneer woman. Yes, call me a cowboy, a cowgirl. Give me a pair of cowboy boots and way to go. So love these pieces. Now, in keeping with the rustic theme, we have two pieces that we are going to work on today. And this is why I say that I feel like there's a theme. There's a farmland, a farm animal, just a farmhouse theme going on today in the vlog. If you were junking with me, I'm trying to remember what store we got this at, but I love that we picked it up together. I ended up buying this for I think like somewhere around $2, $2 or $2.99. It's got a crackle effect in the sky. I love the colors that was used in it. I call this Happy Farmhouse, okay? So what we're gonna do today is clean this frame and then add some color to it, and we'll pull one of the colors from inside here of this picture, so stay tuned to see what that is. And the other piece that I'm gonna give some life to today is, that's why I say, you know what, there must be a theme. Sometimes when you go to junk stores, you can't help but wonder, like, did the person like just donate all their rooster collection? Because you go there and you don't just find one thing, but you find multiple things, and they have this feel like they came from the same house. So not sure if these two pieces did or not, but this one I got for $1.99 right here, and I think we're gonna make this one a little bit more cute. Yeah, need some personality, all right? So let's get on with this. So the first thing we want to do is clean our pieces. When they come from a thrift store, we never know their history, we never know where they come from, so just clean your pieces before you paint and give them plenty of time to dry. So let's, hey Stanley, you gonna be a part of this DIY with me? Oh, he's gonna look out the window over there. You know Mr. Stanley Cat. If you don't know him, get used to him. Look at that fluffy tail. So for this picture, guys, out of all the colors that I could pull from it, I'm actually going to go a little funky, a little happy color right here, what I call a happy rustic, happy shabby rustic, and I'm going to pull from the sky, which is a really cool teal color. So we have a color called Teal River, so I'm going to go ahead and paint the frame in Teal River, and also I'm going to do the same here for the hen, for the chicken over here, and we're going to do something special with this one as well, so stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and put the color on both these pieces to start. Now guys, the only brush I'm using is my Shabby style chip brush. You can find the paint and the supplies I used over at junkmonkeypaint.com. But the reason I love this brush is because it skips. It doesn't give me full coverage. So automatically, as I'm putting this paint on, it just skips and gives me a really cool distressed rustic look. And the paint dries to a flat, matte, charming vintage feel. So it just goes hand in hand if you too are a lover of this style look. I'm just painting my lines, straightening them up as humanly straight as possible to follow the wood grain in the frame here. That gives me much more of a professional finish. This looks so fantastic. I'm gonna lay it over here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and distress it a little bit more to bring a little bit of the wood back through, just to make it feel worn on the edges. This is such a pretty color. So let's put this to the side, let this dry. Give this girl over here some help. Alright guys, so I'm going to use a heavy grit sand block to knock some of this paint off. And basically I want to, bring some of the brown frame back through here. I do love me some brownie frowny when it's popping through behind some gorgeous paint color. Alright guys, you just saw me just kind of buff over the glass a little bit to bring it nice and shiny and get any paint drips off. The nice thing is that this paint is water-based, so you know what, you can tape it off if you want. For me, I just grab a brush, go bananas, and then if I get any on the frame, I just wipe it off after. Easy peasy, I just kind of get right into it. So I love how this piece turned out. Now, of course, if I want to, I can seal. That's totally up to me, totally up to you. At the end of the day, if your piece is going to be something that's going to get a lot of use used and touched a lot, then yes, seal your frame. If you don't want to seal, you can leave it just like this. It's just gonna look really rustic and very, very matte. The moment you go ahead and put a seal on it, it really makes those paint pigments pop again from all the sanding that you did. So it mutes down when you sand, but the moment you seal, it pops back up. And now this little girl right here, she's waiting to get a new dress. Let me show you what we're gonna do with her. So for this little darling right here, what color dress should we give her? Honestly, this is where you guys get to design. It's like when you get do you remember back in the day they used to have the little dolls where you get the dresses and you would pin the tabs on over the shoulder, and she'd be wearing a whole new dress, whatever you wanted to change it out to. When you have a stencil and you have a flat surface like this, that's pretty much what it amounts to. So I've been trying to debate whether or not I want to put her in polka dots or whether I want to put her in plaid. You guys know me. I do love me polka dots. You're going to find them everywhere. Polka dots, shabby florals. I love plaid. I love stripes. I love all those whimsical patterns. I think I'm going to go ahead and put some polka dots on her. I think polka dots on a chicken. Yes, this is a chicken, right? Not a rooster. I'm pretty sure that's a rooster over there. And this is a chicken. Chime in below. Let me know for sure. And I'm gonna go ahead. Remember, I'm the daughter of a fisherman. I can talk the sea, but talking farm animals, yeah, I'm gonna need your help on that. All right, so get your polka dots in place over the top of your painted surface. Now, obviously, this is just a nice pattern all over, which means that you can put them any sort of way you want. There's really no wrong way to do this. At the end of the day, it's just gonna look like polka dots all over your piece. I'm gonna grab a nice fresh shabby chip brush and my black velvet junk monkey chalky style paint. So you know that our little hen is underneath here. I've got my paint, I've got a fresh brush, and by using this brush, remember how I told you it gives me a distressed effect because it doesn't give me great coverage? So my polka dots don't need to be perfect. They're gonna be, honestly, they're gonna look a little distressed style. All right, I think I got it everywhere I need to. You can obviously do both sides if you're gonna display this somewhere where somebody's gonna see both sides of your project. For me, it's probably gonna sit in the window with the polka dot side showing through. All right, you guys ready? Are you ready? Ready, Eddie? Oh, I'm so glad I went with this, yes. Polka dots are where it's at. How adorable is this? Now, would you put a bow on the bottom? This could be cool where you go out and you get a little black and white bow and you twist it on the bottom right there. I just think it's perfect. It's just cute, shabby, fun. So friends, we found two great Junkin signs today. We did a awesome thrift store flip for a couple bucks. This rooster never looked so good. And of course, now he's got a buddy, a polka dot buddy. So I don't know about you, but I think that these two thrift store junk flips are a success. And also, love the signs. Coffee and Junkin, good friends in Junkin. I know I love hanging out with you guys in Junkin and painting and getting creative. So I think it's all good. If you guys are enjoying my daily vlogs, please let me know below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. When I see lots of thumbs up on a video or a comment below, I know it means that you guys enjoy these style videos, and then I will do more for you. All right guys, see you tomorrow. I am off to have my cowgirl chicken and bean soup. Is it ready? Can I have a bowl? Maybe? I think I can convince him to share with me. What do you guys think? All right, guys, I'm off to enjoy some supper. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.